Hey guys, it's your boy Anthony here, back with an awesome video. So I've been on eBay recently and I found these things called mystery boxes. They look super hype and I found one that's actually an auction. You guys know your boy loves auctions. And the title is Computer Best Mystery Box Electronics HP Laptop Computer and Tech Goodies. This thing's up to 34 bucks. I'm gonna read you guys the description. It's a mystery in a box, but hints are given. Our computer and a tech's dream. You never know what you're gonna get. It's a mystery, but it says that there's a laptop included, so I'm pretty hyped for this one. I really hope we can get it. Alright guys, it's the last 40 seconds. I am super nervous. We gotta place the bid right now so we don't get outbid. We're gonna bid a US $50. We got 31 seconds left. Oh my gosh. I'm super nervous, guys. Please, guys, go drop a like for encouragement. Please, because I'm so nervous right now. Oh, no. I'm really nervous. Look at my hand, guys. It's shaking. I am so nervous. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 7. Bid, 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 bid. We were just outbid. I don't know what to do from here, guys.